Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mercedes A200 AMG. It is the Premium Plus pack, so it has a lot of extras with it. It's finished in absolutely lovely metallic electric blue. It's got the front park sensors, got the upgraded alloy wheels, got the black pack all around the car, panoramic roof, tilt and slide, privacy glass, rear park distance control. It does have a camera as well. It's in absolutely gleaming condition, stunning colour. So the rear hatchback's in lovely condition. It's got the AMG Premium Plus half leather Alcantara red stitch piping seats. It's got electric memory seats, electric windows, mirrors. Just start the car up. Okay, just getting the mileage. So it's done 95,145 miles. It's got factory satellite navigation, reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth phone preparation, multifunction steering wheel, media pack, dynamic select, different driving styles. It's got DAB radio as well. A DJH. There you go, a DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.